There's the right wing and then there's the freedom, those fighting for the freedom of expression. Representing the right wing tonight, don't mind these descriptions only in the context of the debate. Monica Arora, she's an advocate. She's specifically Dinanath Batra's advocate. Dinanath Batra represents that fringe. Dr. Indira Tiwari, welcome back into the debate. She's General Secretary of the Hindu Mahasabha, so she also represents the fringe. Syed Inayatullah is Vice President of All India Milli Council, Tamil Nadu chapter, was earlier against the Kamal Hassan movie. He's also with us tonight. M.R. Venkatesh, I'm not going to call you right-wing, but appears your views are somewhat similar to that of those expressed, because otherwise you'll jump. But I suspect you're with the right wing on this one. Yogesh Master, author, is joining us from Bengaluru. Right? Shobha De, author and columnist with me in the studio. Kannan Sundaram is a publisher in this case of this book. Is joining us live from Chennai. Aryaman Sundaram, senior advocate of Supreme Court, and Vani Tripathi. Big panel, lots of time. Like to start with Kannan Sundaram. Kannan, what has your experience been with the right wing? Before we begin the debate, can you tell us what really led to this?
See, about 1 month back, the author Perumal Murugan started receiving some phone calls. They were quite abusive and very threatening. And after trying to deal with that all by himself for some time, he went to the police and gave a complaint. But I don't think the police took any action on those complaints. This continued. At one point, some of them got together and had a demonstration. They burned the book. They buried with chappals. And the next, they had a bandh in the town of Tiruchengodu. And after that, it became too hot for him to stay in his town. He came out. He spent some time with us in Chennai.
Right.
And then the local district administration, they invited him for a peace talk. And in the peace talk, he was there alone with his lawyer, and there was a mob of 300 people on the other side. And I think the district administration forced him to sign on dotted line saying that he is apologetic and that he will withdraw.
Forced him to. That's very interesting. Now, what I don't understand, and maybe M.R. Venkatesh can explain this to me. Yeah. This book is released in 2010, Mr. Venkatesh. It takes 4 years, 2 reprints and a translation to English for the protest to start. Why?
Arnav, frankly, I have not read the book, though it's in a Tamil book. I have not read it, so my observations are to be seen in this context. An answer to a book is always a book. That's what the Mahatma said, and that's what I believe as an author. I believe that anybody is to be criticized, it has to be criticized the most civil way. And two, I will also say, but freedom of expression is always circumscribed by one important fact.
Standard argument. No, standard argument. I knew the standard argument will be put forward by.
No, please listen to me.
An author. Okay. So, MR, I'm countering you. An author, if you write a book, would you want to sign a peace agreement following protests by whatever fringe groups in the presence of the state administration who fails to curb the protest? This is gundagardi. This is not a protest, it's gundagardi.
This is the problem. No, this is gundagardi. Why this happens is, your state abdicates, your courts abdicate, the whole entire machinery of the state has abdicated, and instead it has allowed people to settle on the streets. This has happened time and again.
Who has allowed?
Fringe groups which
no, you can't blame. You want to protect the fringe groups.
This is allowed.
Sir,
state is not. State is abdicated. The state is abdicated. Look, when the same left groups which are today talking about freedom
this
of
is
expression,
not left or right.
Were there when the Vishwarupam was there?
This is not a left or right.
Vishwarupam was there.
Yeah.
No, please understand. Today, people who are talking about freedom of expression claim they are leftists. So I'm saying that, okay, forgive me for using the word left. Let me say that those who are talking about freedom of expression, where were they when Mr. Kamal Hassan was facing Vishwarupam? They just vanished. So it is selective amnesia, and it is rule for the law for those who take the danda. So it is now settled on the streets, and there is nothing civil about it. So you abuse me, I will abuse you. So this is the level to which
No, M.R. Venkatesh, the counter to that is, when the Vishwarupam controversy was going on, were you or were any of the people at that point of time with the taking the contrary position? You were not. You're very conveniently using this argument. The fact here is the fact here is Aryaman. The fact here is, what are we seeing?
Mr. Arnab Goswami, I have written an article about this. Please check up. It is on my website, mrv.net.in. It is there. So I have supported Mr. Kamala Hassan. I have said he has a freedom. But having said that, I also say Perumal Murugan has a right to write about it. But having said that, I will also say, why
should we
bitch
open up the
somebody?
debate?
Why bastardize a community?
What?
Yeah, we should.
What did you say?
I said, why should we bitch a community? Or
No, what
I
did
said,
you say?
Why should we bitch a community?
You
bastardize
take back
a
those
society?
words. Don't
I
use
said
this
bitch
language,
a
MR.
community. No, I have to say this because I am
You
saying
take
this
back the
overall
words.
in the context. Not somebody said this. No, I will not, Mr. Arnab.
No, this
Please
is exactly
understand.
the kind
I'm
of
saying this with
provocative
full
language which is not required. I don't expect it from you, MR Venkatesh.
No, this
I don't
is not-
expect it from you. Shobhade's
I'm saying it-
Shobhade, please.
No.
Shobhade. First of all, take back
I'm
those
saying this
words.
with full
This is the
responsibility.
kind
You have
of,
to take
you want to
responsibility.
create this persecution complex so that political groups can take advantage of it. That's all. 1 second. Before
No,
I come
I'm
to you,
not
Monica
saying
Arora,
this.
Shobhade
No,
wants to say
nobody's
something to
doing
you,
this.
MR Venkatesh.
Nobody
Shobhade.
is saying this.
No, Shobhade.
I'm shocked that he's misusing this platform to mouth such words. I still believe it's a family channel. At any rate, that apart, he's
No, don't I have
injecting
freedom of expression? Don't I have
cheap
a freedom of
politics
expression?
into.
Where is my freedom of expression?
Excuse me, sir. I'm talking. The point is that the author was not just an author. He was a scholar. He was a professor. This is his. He's written 35 books. He's been a professor for 17 years. The book has been in the public domain for 4 years. This seems politically motivated, and there's no getting away from that. A man has been silenced. You can silence one man, one author, one voice. How are you going to silence an entire generation?
And this is happening in
This
India,
is-
Shobhade,
it is
after
absolutely-
the Charlie Hebdo shootout.
Not just that.
After the shootout in Paris, this is what we have. We have public personalities like Kiran
Not
Bedi
just-
asking a question, why
Not just
provoke?
that. Not
Why
just that.
provoke?
Arnab, not just that. I wish on this panel there had been more publishers, Litfest
Arnab, we need a
organizers,
different argument on
authors
your
and
channel at
journalists.
least.
Can we please have one person speak at a time? We should have had people on the front lines today, publishers, authors, journalists, filmmakers, anybody who's in
Why do you think they're not speaking? Where have they
Why
gone?
are they not speaking?
Why have they
Because
gone into hiding? They are
because
afraid of the fringe?
everybody is afraid of the lunatic fringe and what they're capable of doing. This man had to leave town with his family. He was hounded out of his home for a book that's been there for 4 years.
Came on the hollow
So
promises.
I'm sorry, this is political, it's malicious, it's dangerous, and we must raise our voices or everybody is going to be facing the same
Monica,
problem over and over again.
Monica Arora, is this book more dangerous for the country than to read books?
Let me
No,
just
than to
state
read
here,
books about compulsive. No, 1
Let me
second.
just
Just
state
a minute.
I have heard the.
Monica,
Yes.
Monica, let me just ask you: is this book? I have your
No, I
excerpts of you. You
expected that
represent
you
Dinanath
take the
Batra,
facts
who
for the
represents
people of this nation
no
first,
Dinanath
and
Batra,
thereafter
who
we'll jump into the panel discussion. No, Arnab, we are talking about 35 awards. We are talking about various lectures about scholarly things of this writer. But do we know what he has written? He has talked about Ardhanarishwar, half man and half woman, and they
Yes,
are having
we know
sex
what he
all
has
the time,
written.
throughout the day, throughout the years.
We know what he has
And
written.
we as men don't
Ardhanarishwar
have that
is not
chance.
invented
This
by
is what
him.
Murugan has written.
We
Second,
know
now,
what he has
please
written.
interfere when I am speaking. Allow me to speak as I did to you. Secondly, what Mr. Murugan has written is he has defamed and derogated the entire community there of womanhood. What he has written is that
the
during the
community saying
chariot
that?
festival, when there is night is the proof. Any female above 30 years of age can have sex as many times as she wants with the males of the area. There is no restriction. Lanes, rocks, bushes, mandapams, everywhere there is sex going around. And this generation has children born out of that sex. Thereafter, what he writes is, these women are wandering for sex. Such things he has written. And he says these things were prevalent in 1940s.
So what is your problem? No, what is your problem?
Were they prevalent? This
What is
nothing
what
doing.
is
It was
what
not
is your
like
problem?
this.
Aryaman
No,
Sundaram,
let
why
me
are you
complete,
laughing? No,
Swami.
just a minute.
My problem
Aryaman
is
Sundaram, no. So you're saying this is dangerous.
Freedom of defamation.
Okay, fine. 1 second. Freedom of expression. Freedom of expression. Aryaman Sundaram. Monica, Miss Monica Arora. Miss Arora, 1 minute. Miss Arora.
Freedom of expression is for those people also who are agitating.
Right.
The
So
book is set 100 years ago. By the way,
can I
it
just
isn't
say
about
one thing?
today.
Okay.
And even had it been about today,
Madam-
he has a right to
Madam,
write
can I-
it.
Okay, one second.
was about
Aryaman Sundaram.
1940.
Aryaman
Please have your
Sundaram.
facts correct.
Aryaman Sundaram. Before Aryaman Sundaram, simple point is just think about it. Is this book more dangerous for people to read than to read books made compulsory by the great Dinanath Batra, which prescribe including Pakistan, Afghanistan, Nepal, Bhutan, Tibet, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, and even Myanmar? While learning to draw the map of
Goswami,
India.
Your facts
No,
are not
Mr.
correct.
May I?
They are not compulsory reading.
Whatever.
They are not
This is Dinanath
compulsory
Batra's
reading.
great book, right?
I have my facts correct.
If suppose I tell you, Miss Monica Arora, suppose I tell you.
Are we discussing Murugan episode
Miss
or are we
Arora, Miss
discussing
Arora,
Dinanath Batra?
Miss Arora,
And
the
I'll
basic.
stick to those points as well.
Miss Arora, the basic argument was on this freedom of expression point, right? So I am saying that freedom of expression cannot be extended to people like Dinanath Batra who talk rubbish. Arrest the man. Suppose I arrest the man.
Arnab,
Snatch all the books away, burn them right now.
Objected to A.K.
Somebody
Ramanathan's
burn those
which
books
said
right now.
रावण की गर्भ से सीता पैदा
no,
हुई।
but जो ये
रावण
no,
सीता
what
का
about
पिता था।
people who say
आठवें महीने में
no, what
सीता
about
को
what
जन्म
about
दिया।
what about what
राम
about
की
people
चीख से जन्म दिया।
what about people
Such
who
rubbish
say
was being taught.
what
And
about
what did
people
Mr.
okay
Batra
listen
do?
Monica
He
Arora
went to the
Mo-
court.
Monica Arora, 1 minute. Monica Arora, just 1 minute. Let Aryaman Sundaram come in, please. 1 second.
For God's sake,
What about
give
people
us
who
some
say?
freedom of expression.
What about people who say once you consume cow milk, you will not commit any crime?
Followed
You want a cure for pimples? Use cow dung. You want white teeth? Use cow dung.
anything which is
You have indigestion? Use cow dung.
has to be scuttled.
What if I say people who talk such things should also be held back? That's their
He
view.
has indigestion. Problem is you
No, I
don't
know.
put
Please
the
don't
facts
contemplate
correct,
with the
and
cow
then
dung
you say
because
he was a
that has got the
translator.
medicinal
That's
values.
only a
No, I
word.
don't-
Please place the facts
No,
before
this
the
is
nation.
wrong.
Let the nation know
This is
what did this writer write.
Please talk rational.
Entire village.
I don't know, first-
At a loss, can I just say
Acha, Aryaman Sundaram. I am at a loss today to understand. Aryaman Sundaram, please. Yes, Aryaman Sundaram. Responding to you.
I think I've heard so much of anguish being poured out right now, which is exactly what the freedom of expression is all about, madam. Freedom of expression is you have every right to express everything you did, same as somebody else has the right to express what they did. I'd only like to remind you what Justice Holmes had so beautifully said about what freedom of speech and expression was. He says the freedom is the freedom for the thought that we hate, not for the thought that we cherish. If we cherish a thought, where is the freedom? If somebody is only saying what you love to hear them say, then there's no freedom. The freedom comes in because people are saying something which you hate,
freedom of
and that is
expression
where
does
the
not
freedom comes
include
in.
freedom to
And
defame anybody.
please, madam,
This has to be
allow me
restricted
to
by public
finish.
order
Madam, freedom
and
of speech
morality.
also includes not interrupting me. Freedom of speech also includes allowing me to speak and not interrupting me. The point I'm trying to make
It's my
is
freedom
it is
also.
such a valuable right, both in the future of the country, in the future of the world, in expression itself, and in a democracy. Please let us guard freedom of speech carefully. Do you know what really hits me about all this? Years ago, I did a case which involved a movie which was anti-reservation. It was banned by the Madras High Court. It came up to the Supreme Court. The police department filed a affidavit in the Supreme Court saying that this film should not be allowed because it will create a law and order problem. The words of the Supreme Court were so beautiful. They said, we are amused yet troubled by the stand of the Madras police.
Okay.
And we ask ourselves,
I have a
question.
no, I have a
If
very
there's
basic
law and order
question.
problem,
No, I have
is it
a
not the duty of the
Sir,
agreed.
I have-
Agreed. Agreed. I have a question. I have a question for Dr. Indira Tiwari. Dr. Indira Tiwari, my question is to you. No, 1 second. Dr. Indira Tiwari. Let me ask you a very fundamental question. Think about it. This right-wing Hindu fringe, right? Will it also ban the Kama Sutra?
Arnab, you can have better
No.
words to
1
talk
second.
about
Will the right-wing Hindu fringe ban the Kama Sutra?
Every Hindu is a fringe for you.
Arey bhai, please listen to me.
No,
Will the
any
right-wing
villager,
Hindu fringe
any
ban the
villager
Kama
having
Sutra? Am I asking a wrong question? What will you do?
Fringe for you? What is
I am
this?
asking
Please don't
you. Why, this is a
interrupt.
fringe.
Please don't interrupt.
sincerely,
The question
I
is
protest this word.
thrown to me.
Question
Let
is
me-
thrown.
Let me
Yes,
answer
yes,
you.
yes.
Madam,
Or for that
Let
matter. Let me complete. Let me complete. Indira Tiwari, I didn't complete my question.
You have better
My
words
question
to use
is,
for
will you?
Hindus.
No, 1 second. If there are some people who say, Miss Tiwari, I'm putting a question to you, right? Please let me complete, articulate it so you understand the question in its full depth. Okay. Because people, I forget who's a fringe, who's not. My question here is, the publisher is alleging here that the fringe sentiments on this case, and they say, quote, no writer who dares to touch the so-called Hindu sentiment will be able to live in Tamil Nadu. Now, somebody who says that there is a community called Y, and that community Y, okay, when he does not like the Kama Sutra, feels it's a terrible influence, it's stereotyping, it represents all ancient Hindus, right, as sex maniacs. Now, suppose somebody says this, and suppose somebody says as a result of it, we ban the Kama Sutra, ban the publication, and anybody who finds the Kama Sutra, any copy in his house, any airport bookshop showing the Kama Sutra will be burned down and broken down. Will that also hold? And anybody who can hire 10 gundas to do that. You know, there are enough lumpins in our country. You want to hire 10 lumpins, pay them 50 rupees each, they do something.
That's what is the irony.
So does anybody who can... Final part. Does 1 sec. 1 minute, Indira Tiwari, listen to me. Anybody who can hire 10 gundas becomes a representative of the Hindu religion. Since when?
No way.
Since
no
when?
way. No way.
And
no
by the way,
way.
my Kama
no
Sutra
way.
question.
No, please
Yeah.
let me answer. No,
Yeah,
please
Mr.
let me answer. This is, as the one of the panelists very rightly said, that it's a politically motivated moment in order to win over the Tamil Nadu state, which they lost in the general election, on the hollow promises made by our Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi.
I'm not giving.
He says,
I asked you a freedom of expression issue.
Yes,
you are answering it politically. Why are you avoiding my question?
It's a political moment, and that is why, see, the Dravidian parties who had always claimed to be the representative.
You are reading from a prepared answer to a question thrown to you on Newsar, Indira Tiwari. I am asking. I didn't read a prepared question. If you have a prepared speech, who wrote that speech for you?
Please allow me to answer.
Who wrote that speech for you? You have got a written speech there?
No, not at all. I'm answering you.
But you just read out. What is that piece of paper you have?
See. No, that is, I have not gone through the book.
So I'm asking.
Therefore, I have just fetched it from the net.
Yes.
What he has written, I have not found. But what I have gathered is that first of all, Constitution provides you the freedom of speech.
No.
And
What
moreover,
freedom of speech? What freedom of speech?
Let
For
me
example, 1 minute. For example, I asked the Kama Sutra question. It's very relevant. Yogesh Master, and I'm going to take this group's head on. Whether they like it or not, that's the only treatment they deserve. Okay, now this man, when we have Wendy Doninger's book, The Hindus and Alternative History, being banned in February last year after Hindu fringe groups were outraged by it. By the way, who gives them the authority to represent all Hindus? I'm a Hindu, I don't believe in that. I believe you're absolutely fringe. Anyway, this man you represent, Batra, who seems to be slightly, weird in his views, he says, Are bhai, listen to me. One second, tell Batra he's not the representative of Hindu religion. He says, the Sanskrit texts cited in my lecture were written at a time of glorious sexual openness and insight. And I have focused precisely on those part of the text. This is what Wendy Doniger says. To which Batra sends his legal notice, maybe Monica, you wrote it. So it's written. So the approach.
What Wendy Doniger wrote.
I know what Wendy Doniger wrote. I am telling you what you wrote. I am telling you what you wrote.
Shivalanga is the representation of male sexual organ in
erection.
erection.
Allow me to
Such
speak
was the dastardly things what she wrote.
That the
And nobody
so-called
talks
Hindu
about the
fringe
facts of the matter.
Miss Monica Arora. Miss Monica Arora. Miss Monica Arora.
Nobody knows the facts over here. Everybody has come with a political agenda and a political speech ready with them.
I am asking one question, and please listen to me, and I don't think Monica Arora needs covering fire. My question is, my question is, I apply your logic on you. I apply your bias on you. I apply your prejudice on you. I apply your ignorance on you. And I am asking you, using your argument, that Batra sent a legal notice in which
Have
he said,
your facts
in which he
correct.
said,
I
one
don't
second,
I
in which he
charge
said,
you are
wrong
in which
on
he said,
facts
and
and
allow me,
not
ladies, to have my, I will ask one question,
I charge you that
Indira.
you are unparliamentary and you do not allow me when you call me.
Miss Indira,
Please let
Miss
me-
Indira
please let
Tiwari,
me
I will come
answer.
to you. But right now, I think
No,
I have
you-
been.
you interrupt.
I think I
You
want a
interrupt and do
clear
not allow
answer
me.
from the
Then
representative
how will
of
I-
Dinanath
how will
Batra.
I convey my masses and my
Dinanath
truth to the-
Batra
to the
says in
Hindu
his
group
legal
also.
notice. So the
I'm
approach
not
you notice
representing
has
Mr.
been
Batra
jaundiced.
here.
Your
I have
approach
been
is
told
that
on
of a
this
woman
issue,
hungry of
and let
sex.
me put it
My
straight.
question, if somebody
Mr.
says
Goswami,
that the
this
Kama
is
Sutra makes similar,
democracy.
if the
We
Kama
have to
Sutra
do-
makes similar stereotypes
No,
of the
if somebody
ancient Indian
defames
community,
us,
will you
we
ban
have
the
a
Kama
right to
Sutra?
go to the Honorable Court of Law.
Will you
In
break the
file
will you
cases,
break the
we
idols in
file cases,
Khajuraho?
We win cases over
Will you
there.
break the idols in Khajuraho? Answer me.
It
How many
cannot.
books? How many places will you break? How many books will you
Come
burn?
to that question,
cannot.
Mr. Arnav Goswami.
Ah,
I
miss,
was waiting
don't
for
repeat
this.
my name, I know my
But
name.
what I am telling you straight is,
You're only repeating my
we
name.
have no. You need patience to listen to the answer
have full
also.
patience.
Today you
I
are
have
out
full
of
patience.
patience. What I am saying is, if anybody defames my freedom fighters, my gods, I have every right in democracy to approach the court of law.
Yeah.
I file my case, I approach the court of law, I argue my matters.
So instead of
I don't
approaching
do
the court
violence.
of law,
I'm not breaking any shops.
why
I'm
the
not
books have been
breaking any
consigned to
heads.
the
No, one sec, one sec.
I
One,
said
good
why the
point.
books have been
Indira
consigned
Tiwari.
to the
Indira
flames?
Tiwari is
Using
asking you a
the
counter. Let's
law
put them
to
on
the
screen,
best of
please.
advantage.
Why the books have been consigned to the flames?
No, Ms.
If-
Indira Tiwari
if the
has
law,
her
if the law
debate
of the
and her
land
politics
allows
is
you
ready with her.
to
She has come
take
with
the
an
recourse
agenda.
through
She is here
legal
not to ask
process,
questions,
then
but to
why
just
such Talibani mentalities have consigned the books to the flames?
Yes, good point.
Without understanding that the entire Mahabharata
I'm sorry,
depicts the
They
niyam
have
widely
not burnt
practiced
any
in that
shops.
period.
They have not
Kunti
broken
had
any heads. They're
five
simple
sons
villagers.
with the permission
They were
of Pandu.
asked permission
What were
to
they?
protest.
Tell me.
They were
That
not
was a
given permission to
consensual
protest.
sex.
In anger,
That was a
that was a
consensual
sporadic
sex.
reaction,
And this is
they burned the books.
I will say this is
Thereafter,
either
there was a
Dravidian
peace
or
meeting
Hindu
held
Talibani
where
mentality.
the writer apologized
Those who
because
want
what he
to,
was writing
those
was
who
wrong.
want to ruin
Have
the
you read the
very
book?
flexible,
Do you know what is there in the
progressive
book?
and growing
That's what I'm
religion
saying is your panel
which
does not have the
existed
facts
once.
correct.
Okay.
And even
Okay, but why is the
even
talking about
BJP is Vani
degrading
Tripathi?
women and
Vani
saying
Tripathi. Vani
vengeance
Tripathi
for the
answer
hunger
the
of
response.
sex.
No, one second.
Such are the words used.
You
now
see.
they are exposed.
No.
See, the BJP is exposed through their fringe groups that what actual their faces are.
Vani Tripathi,
What their
that
actual
statement is
faces
coming
are.
to you not
I
from
know.
the Congress but by a
You called her
representative of the
instead of
Hindu
Congress
Mahasabha.
spokesperson.
I am really
He's
surprised.
giving a political
See,
speech.
I am really surprised, Vani Tripathi, that you don't
See,
have an answer to
see,
Indira Tiwari.
Arnab,
See, actually, the BJP
Arnab, I mean-
took this course of action in order
you have
to
forgotten-
win over the Kongu Vellalar community, which has got a formidable vote bank size in the southern region of the Tamil Nadu state. And this is also, and this
Madam,
is
you
also
read the book. Read the excerpt
very
from the book.
unfortunate for the
How
If
Dravidian
people will
party.
stop
as
shouting,
Those who rose to the
Arnab,
power.
Women at large.
No,
who
this
are
is-
very
stop
you
shouting
see,
over
Vani,
them.
Vani,
They are also
peacefully
Vani.
against the
deafening
book.
silence.
Vani, there was a
Arnab,
Vani Tripathi.
If-
Vani
if
Tripathi,
people-
put the
Arnab,
argument
Arnab,
in
let me-
context.
let
1
me-
minute,
let-
ladies.
Let me respond.
One second, no, before you
Arnab,
respond,
let me-
before you
Arnab,
respond,
let
Vani,
me-
I'm coming to
Arnab,
you.
let me
But
respond.
before you respond, a point
Arnab,
needs to
let
be
me
made.
respond.
No, before
Let
you
me
respond, a
respond.
point needs to be made. Before you
Arnab,
respond,
let
a
me
point needs to
respond.
be made.
No, just a minute.
A point-
I thought you've forgotten. I thought you've forgotten by now that I'm also there on the panel.
No, you are, and so is
but,
Yogesh
you know,
Master.
I've been patiently listening for almost more than past 25 minutes.
Sure.
I have two very basic things to say before you ask me something. Because, you mentioned Charlie Hebdo, and I think it's very important to remember that after the horrendous attack that happened on that magazine and what happened to journalists, we actually have to hang our heads in shame.
These are lectures,
that we are
Vani,
still
they have no
haranguing
impact.
about the issue.
These
which
are all
of course
lectures,
deals
all
with-
lectures.
Which deals with...
These are all lectures, lectures, you are making lectures. Come to the
Arnab,
point.
One thing you have to, at least give me 2 minutes, Arnab. I've
Yeah,
been
but
listening for the
Indira
past
will
25.
respond to you. Indira.
The problem with the free speech debate is that in a democracy,
Come to the campaign,
when you talk about the right
to the
offend,
electoral
yes, there
campaign,
is a right to offend,
then you use these
and
very forces
people have a
for
right
so-called
to-
Hindutva
who is
and
shouting?
all
I can
sort of
only get the
nonsense.
audio link.
And
do
now
not shout.
you want to
Madam,
say that you are...
Madam, do not shout. You've been speaking all along. You've been speaking
I'm
all
not
along.
shouting.
Allow the other person
I'm not
also to
shouting.
speak. That's also democracy,
No, I'm
right?
not shouting.
That's
I'm
also
not
democracy,
shouting.
and that's
I'm
also
only,
freedom of
I'm
speech.
only conveying
Yeah?
my views.
No, so
that
just
this
a
is
minute.
not the
Let me
Hindu
complete
view
my point. No,
which
let
has
me
been
complete my
now
point.
put to the flames.
You will not. No, you will not get any answer from me, madam. You will not get any answer from me if you will cross talk.
See, I don't need
So,
an answer.
Arnab, I just
the
need to
country needs
complete
an
this
answer.
point
The country,
that the right
the country
to
needs
offend,
an answer. I don't need an answer
the right
because
to
I know what
offend
Hindutva is.
remains important.
Hindutva is
You are
very
not the
flexible.
country. You are not the country, madam. You are not the country. Please do not
we are
represent so
representing
many
over
millions
here.
of people in this country. There are enough
Yes.
people who are wanting to represent everything which is not favorable for our democracy. Please, for God's sake. So, Arnab, what I'm trying to say is the right to offend, of course, is very important in a democracy.
I'm for the writers,
but people who are
freedom here.
offended,
So
why
therefore-
is she cross-talking? Why is she cross-talking? What kind of a debate is this?
Literature,
Why are you cross-talking? Was I speaking when you were
documentaries,
shouting at the top of your voice?
and art. This is a reflection of the
what
society
films,
and
what
nobody can stop.
documentaries, what are you talking about?
Wani,
You're not even allowing-
I just
you're
want to,
not
I
even
just
allowing another
want
speak
to
about
ask
what
you,
are saying?
Wani, just, I'm not putting your views to the test. Don't take me incorrectly, please. But suppose
Arnab,
one
Arnab,
sec.
I just want to complete one.
Miss
Please just
Vani
let me
Tripathi, Miss
complete 5 seconds, just 5 seconds.
Vani, you're on
Arnab,
record, you're a
just 5
BJP
seconds,
spokesperson.
please. Arnab, just let me
literature has
complete.
been
Arnab,
the
let me
mirror of the
complete.
society.
Arnab, let me complete. Let me
And they have
complete,
been,
please.
they were the
Vani,
actually
Vani-
The right to offend
It should not be-
also
it should not
lies
be
with the
banned,
people who
gagged,
are
or
offended
stopped.
against. And if they protest about it, it should be peaceful. Any kind of vandalism which happens, and I'm underlining it, is a matter of law, and anybody doing
This-
law breaking will not be tolerated.
It's a convenient
And I'm very clear
situation.
about it.
It's a convenient.
So when we are talking about freedom of expression,
No. 1 second. This is a convenient argument which allows you to draw some kind of a
It is
distinguishing
not.
line between
It is
you and the
not. It is
VHP.
not, Arnab.
Both you and the
It is
VHP.
not convenient.
Both you and the
It is not
VHP.
convenient.
It is very
It is not
convenient.
convenient.
It is extremely
Arnab,
convenient.
It is not.
It is very
not
convenient.
up to
Vani,
us to-
Vani.
No, it is not up to us. It
Va-
is not up to us, Arnab.
Vani-
It is not up to us
Mi-
to lend ourselves to provocation. As I'm saying, we are a democracy. Yes, there is free speech. But if you disagree with my creative right of writing something which is free speech, the person who wants to protest against that also has free speech.
So exactly.
Only that free speech
This
should
is
not turn
exactly.
violent,
This is
and it
the,
should
you
not
see.
be vandalism.
You see.
And
Double
when
standards
you-
and hypocrisy.
And when you talk about fringe groups, let me wait.
Double standards and hypocrisy.
Let me complete.
Double
Arnab,
standards
when
and
you talk about
hypocrisy,
fringe
Vani.
groups, when
A
you
minute.
talk about
Shobha De
fringe
throwing a
groups,
question at you.
what
Shobha De.
defines- No, there is
Shobha
no
De,
hypocrisy.
Shobha De.
The
1 second.
hypocrisy is the hypocrisy
party
is
in the
the
center
hypocrisy
is
is
using
Taslima
this very
Nasreen goes through what she
Vani,
goes
Vani.
through. We don't talk about
in the
it.
Tamil Nadu
Taslima
I just want to ask
Nasreen
a-
went
No,
through what
Vani.
she went through. We didn't talk about
Just a minute, please. Vani, all you need to say, all you can say is, no. Can you both, first of all, Vani Tripathi and Indira Sharma, please stop for a minute.
That's terrible.
1 second, Vani Tripathi and Indira Sharma, stop. I'm holding it over. Yogesh Master has been putting up his hand for a long time.
You have to exemplify what is
Vani,
fringe.
stop.
Please exemplify what
Vani,
is
stop.
fringe.
Vani, stop.
Who
Shobha
wanted
De.
definitive
One question.
reality
Yogesh, I'm coming to
Vani, I want to ask you a simple question. Is anybody suggesting
Arnab,
that these
after this great
protests were
soliloquy, can
spontaneous?
others get in a word?
That they happened because the people of that town decided after 4 years that they were offended? Did you see any women protesting? It was supposed to be a book that offended the women of the community. He has spent his entire professional life. He is called the chronicler of the Kongus. He is known for having recorded, documented their way they speak, the way they live. Is this a spontaneous demonstration or is it orchestrated? That is the question
It
here.
is orchestrated.
If it's orchestrated, then it's
orchestrated.
political.
It is orchestrated.
Shobha ji,
It is
that's
political.
that's a very
It's
valid,
very
that's
political.
a very
And
valid
there is-
question.
No,
I want to answer it.
because
I
this
want
The
to answer
cultural
it.
map of this community.
Shobha
He
ji,
is
that's a very
credited with
valid
having
question.
Movement
That's a
having
very,
raised
that's a very valid
consciousness
question
about
to
this
ask.
community.
Tamil Nadu politics. Very simple.
Shobha ji, that's a very valid
want to
question
win
you
over the
asked.
Congo Vellala
But
community,
when
which
we
has got
broad
a very
stroke, when we
formidable
broad
vote
stroke,
bank.
Yes.
It is all related to
can I speak?
politics.
Shobha ji,
We
can I
seem to
answer
be
your
making.
question, please?
Shobha
Shobha ji, can I answer your
Vani,
question, please?
Vani, before you
Shobha ji,
answer, I
can
want to give you
answer
one
your
example.
question,
I don't agree
Arnab,
with
I
you.
just want to
No,
answer
Vani, you
Shobha
can't. You
ji's
can't speak non-stop. 1 second, please listen to me. Please let someone counter you. Please 1 second. The question is.
No, I'm not
No,
speaking
question is,
non-stop,
Vani.
but
I
last 30 minutes
seriously,
I've just been
I
listening.
seriously,
I've
I
just been
seriously question this. I think it's a damned bloody conspiracy. I'll tell you why. Because the conspiracy is this: you do the protest, I fight the courts. Right? You do the protest, you build the pressure. No, 1 second. I'll file a case parallelly and then I'll say, no, Vani, 1 minute. Vani, and you know what happens then? Then they say, oh, you know what?
Arnab, there is a
Vani,
report in the newspaper
Vani
today.
Tripathi,
No,
listen to me. Vani Tripathi,
What
listen to me.
conspiracy are you talking
Vani
about?
Tripathi,
If
Tikku,
you
listen
are
to me.
saying-
Vani
No,
Tripathi,
Arnab, if
Tikku,
you are
listen to me.
If you are implicating somebody of a conspiracy, no, listen to me, Arnab.
Miss
If
this
you are
Tripathi, if
implicating somebody
you
of a
care to let
conspiracy,
someone
it should be
complete, please.
proven.
Vani
And
Tripathi,
whoever is conspired
I
to
can
do
prove
this-
it to you
no,
in
no,
a
no,
second
no,
if you
Arnab,
listen
it's
to
very
me.
easy.
I think
No,
I'll prove
do
it to you in
not
a second.
expect-
I'll
no,
tell you.
I do
I'll
not
give you an
expect
example,
responsible
Rani.
journalists who I respect so much like you.
You
to
don't have to respect
insinuate.
me.
You are insinuating, Arnab.
No, I'm
right
not
now.
insinuating. I'm
And
saying
that's
it.
not correct. No,
I'm
it's
saying
not
it. I'm
correct.
not even
When you say
insinuating. I'm saying it. What will you do?
When you say conspiracy, prove who's
Okay,
behind
so
the
then if you
conspiracy.
complete your point, you see, problem is
Prove
this is
who's
not
behind
the Parliament of
conspiracy.
India where you can
A
go on
newspaper
non-stop and somebody else
repeats
walks out.
BJP, RSS, what does this mean?
Okay, 1
What
second.
does
Relax.
this
Don't
mean?
get touchy
What
about
does this
RSS. I
mean,
didn't
Arnab?
even mention RSS.
These
You're
are-
already
these are
hypersensitive about
dangerous
RSS.
broad-stroking gestures.
No, now,
This is
1
very
second, please. You know,
dangerous
if the
broad-stroking,
BJP
Arnab. It's very
spokespersons want to
dangerous.
please the RSS by defending them when I didn't even mention them, well, your point has been made. I'm sure that Jhandewala has seen you may defend them. Now,
No,
1 second,
I'm
Vani,
telling
please
you,
hold
you are
off the
saying
problem.
Conspiracy. No, I'm telling
Yogesh
you,
Master is a live living example. 1 second.
You are saying
1 second,
Hindu
Vani. Have the patience to listen,
is
please.
Hindu print?
Miss
Who
Tripathi,
will
listen to
define
me.
Hindu
Miss
print?
Tripathi, please stop and listen to
Who
me.
will define
Miss,
Hindu
please
print,
listen to
Arnab?
me, Miss Tripathi. I don't want to go on about this now, okay? 1 second, I'm making a point here. You know what happens? I'll tell you what happens. Just 1 second. Yogesh, I'm coming to you. It's your case I'm talking about. One side creates the trouble. So there are these, you know, these gundas. What are their name? Muthalek, Futalik. He almost tried to join the BJP, didn't he? All these groups, they operate, they build the pressure. They have some 50, 60 goons. They must be paying them 50, 100 rupees each. Go break a shop, create some tamasha, right? And then on the other side, other people go and they say, oh, you know what, if this book continues or this film is released, it's a threat to public order. We are totally for free speech. People like Vani Tripathi are totally for free speech. But what to do? There will be public disorder, there will be a riot. And let me give you an example of what happened. The person on the right-hand side of the screen, Vani Tripathi, his name is Yogesh Master. He wrote a book. His book is called Dhundi, the story of a forester becoming Ganapati. Accordingly, Hindu fringe groups say it portrays the relationship of Shiva, Parvati, Ganesh in a highly objectionable manner. You know what happened to Yogesh Master? He can tell you. There were all these fringe group protests and then he was arrested on August 29th, I think 2013. He was charged under 295 and 298 of the Indian Penal Code. And who filed the charge against him? Pramod Muthalik and others. He was arrested for making comments on Lord Ganesha. He actually was arrested at that point of time. So he can tell you, you know, this is very convenient. I am for free speech, but problem is that, you know, these groups will run riot if this
Arnab,
continues
it is-
anymore. And we
no,
see
no,
through
Arnab.
it, Vani.
No,
We
no,
see
no,
through it. We
wait a
see through it.
minute.
The
No, before
symbiotic
you-
relationship
before you
here. We see
start-
through it.
no, before you
Yogesh
start
Master, were you arrested? What would you
insinuating-
like to say?
Arnab,
Yogesh
you
Master.
have to realize one thing.
Yogesh Master, please, how many
Arnab,
people will you...
No, Arnab, 1 second. I want
No,
to say
Vani,
something.
let Yogesh
I want
Master
to say
speak, please.
something here.
No, let
I want
Yogesh
to say
Master
something
speak.
here.
Yogesh Master.
Whatever defines
Arey bhai, please let me hear somebody else. Yogesh Master.
country, Arnab.
Yogesh Master, please. Vani, please. Yogesh Master.
Hello. Ms. Vani ji, first of all, here, when we have written something, it is certainly it is not baseless. It has certainly its own research and our way of projecting the things and looking at the things. when we have the freedom of expressing this, and also you have the freedom of rejecting it also, but you cannot curb our entire thing, that's the freedom of expression, whatever you call it. And why can't you have that much little sense? You simply neglect and give it away, don't look at it at all. There are a lot of things that nothing is forcing you to accept this, but you people have kind of fear or scared, or you are making political some kind of coming forward to make your things done. This is what it is happening, that too having the religious
absolutely and you know how it hurts, because Mr. Inayatullah is there in Chennai. One second, Mr. Inayatullah was at the lead of the protests against the film Vishwarupam. I had many debates with him. Today, you know the irony, Monica, 1 minute. No, 1 second.
Violating any provision of law or not.
Don't teach the law.
And
don't teach the law, the freedom of expression, the freedom of expression.
Somebody can go to the court.
You don't want to learn the
freedom
law,
of expression,
but this country is governed by rule of law.
Don't tell me going to court is blasphemy.
If he is violating any provision of
in
law,
my view,
tell me going to
really,
court
they
is
do not have
blasphemy.
any regards for their
everybody
religion.
has a right to approach the courts.
No, listen.
What do you mean is not having any regard for law? We are going to the
Don't damn
courts.
the courts, don't damn the protesters, damn everybody who speaks like that.
Monica,
What are the facts of the matter?
Monica, you know your fringe, you know this fringe which you represent.
See, Arnab,
you are perpetually angry with one thing or the other. If we let the running of the country go to you,
your policies,
you see, this,
I don't have a right to abuse you.
No, right, Monica.
Similarly,
Monica, I want to point to you. You are a lawyer. I don't want to actually. I don't want to teach you the law. I don't want to teach you the law, but you must understand this and have listened to me. The freedom of expression protects, and I quote, not merely the ideas that are accepted, but those that offend. Ideas that offend. Ideas that shock. Ideas that disturb the state or any sector of the population. Such are the demands of pluralism, tolerance, broad-mindedness, without which there is no democratic society. This is the celebrated judgment S. Rangarajan versus P. Jagjivan Ram in the Supreme Court that I'm quoting from. You don't know this? You don't know this?
As half man, half woman.
Sex
all the day.
Ardhanareshwar is not invented by anyone. You don't even know. You don't even know your religion. You are so ignorant.
Have you told everybody what is there in the
that
book?
was invented by the author. It's been there on our temple walls.
So
what are we talking about?
Mr. Inayatullah,
you need to do your research a little more.
Mr. Inayatullah, would you
that maybe they have a genuine grievance?
Miss Monica, 1 minute. Mr. Inayatullah, while you were outraged by the portrayal of Muslims in the film Vishwarupam, I want to point out to you the dangers of what you have done today. There is no difference between you and these fringe groups. There is no difference between you, these fringe groups, or those people who attacked physically Taslima Nasreen, threatened, stifled her presence in this country, and she was even questioned. Or for that matter, between supporters of the All India MIM who had done that at that time. You're all together right now. At some point, Mr. Inayatullah, the upsurge is now beginning to build up on the other side. Many people are tired of you, want to move on, want to isolate you, want to expose you.
Sorry, Mr. Arnab.
Want to question you, Mr. Inayatullah.
I'm sorry to say that.
Yes.
Please. No, Mr. Arnab, you have misconceived. No, you have misconceived.
What?
I want to object to the statement of Mr. MRV also. He compared the Vishwarupam as well as this book. In no way it is comparable. Vishwarupam was something different.
No, it's the same issue. It's the same issue, whether it is Vishwarupam or this, or whether it is the film Fire in 1996, which had explicitly depicted homosexual relations, or whether it is Black Friday, or whether it is the film Water, which represented the depiction of widows in rural India, misogyny and ostracism. They are all the same. I'm sorry if you're offended. It's your problem. The issue is the same, Mr. Inayatullah.
Arnab, I'm sorry.
Anyway, MR can respond to you.
No, Mr. Arnab, no, it's not the thing. It's not
when
the thing.
When it comes to Muslim and minority groups, the government has always banned. But when it comes to the majority, it is now that it is seen that the government doesn't interfere. This is the first time that the government has interfered in Tamil Nadu and seen that the death of a particular author. So this is something very new.
If you don't want it, you don't want it. Whereas in that picture, the enmity among the Muslims and Hindus were very much there. That
Mr.
is why we
Inayatullah,
objected to it.
Mr. Inayatullah,
That should
you are,
not have been.
Mr. Inayatullah,
There is
you
no
are,
Hindus in Afghanistan where the movie was shot.
no, no,
human
no, no.
being.
Mr. Inayatullah, if you had seen the movie, anyway, I think people like you, Monica, all the fringe, etc. I think, I'm sorry to say this, especially for those people who say this is, insulting the Hindu religion. You don't know your religion. I'm asking Indira Tiwari here. I'm asking Indira Tiwari. Indira Tiwari, tell me. No, Indira Tiwari and Aryaman Sundaram. Suppose I say, Miss Monica, please. Miss Monica, please understand this. The Hinduism is not going to be dragged on the path trodden by the Taliban.
Gay marriage.
Hinduism is not going to be dragged on the path which has been trodden by the Taliban.
Hinduism cannot be dragged.
It is
on
too
that
great
path.
a religion to be interpreted in a narrow-minded way by people like you for your own interest. Aryaman Sundaram.
Anybody
Aryaman
who's talking
Sundaram.
about the entire community,
Aryaman Sundaram.
the entire community
Aryaman Sundaram.
has come out of
Arnab, what really shocks me, Arnab, what really shocks me is the fact that there can be such vitriolic arguments to justify what is really a very unlawful protest of an attempt to muzzle somebody else. The fact is, people keep talking about, yes, there's freedom of speech, but there are also restrictions. Don't forget that those restrictions are restrictions which are imposed by law,
That's right.
not by other individuals
Yeah.
who don't agree with you.
Yeah.
Though they are not the ones who have a right to impose the restrictions.
Yeah.
It's only the law, the state, the courts which can impose those restrictions, in which case the court is fully convinced that this is a case where there can be a problem. And let me point out one more thing to you. This whole issue of public order, please understand that the Supreme Court in the same Rangarajan case
That's
put
right.
it so beautifully. It can't be an orchestrated threat of violence at all, which can be public disorder. Public disorder cannot be orchestrated. They said it should be like a spark to a keg of powder. It must be that immediate a reaction, not orchestrated. I am very sorry that we have come to a state today that whether it is an artist who's painting, whether it's an author who's writing, it's whether a person is expressing. If
Yeah.
they don't say exactly what you want them to
And
say,
I'll tell you who
then
the
it
threat to
becomes a
public
form of
order is.
violent protest, and we try to justify.
I'll tell you who the threat to public order is. The threat to public order is not the person writing the book.
absolutely
The
agree.
threat to public order, the threat to public order is the RSS affiliate called the Hindu Munani, which barges into the author's house demanding a copy of the book. They are the threat to public order. Muthalik is the threat to public order, not the author. But why? I'm asking the representative of Hindu Mahasabha.
To you, I have something else
I
to
know.
show you and
I
tell
know.
you.
No,
Hello.
what do you want to show? One sec. Yes,
they
go
are
ahead.
not a threat to public order.
See,
They are not
See,
the fringe
see,
also.
Yogesh Master wants to
the
show
issue-
something very
the
briefly.
The issue is this, that once RSS uses Muthalik like people, and then they are disowned also. They are disowned also, because they are only used to, they are laddered to reach to the power, which they have attained already. Now these fringe groups are only used to meet their political game and their political conspiracy. BJP is trying to make inroad through these kinds
Take them
of
on, Vani.
orchestrated-
Shobha de.
orchestrated
Shobha de.
movements.
Shobha de.
No, no.
Shobha de.
Orchestrated
When-
movement.
when-
Shobha de.
Whereas they fail to
when
understand,
we're
whereas
talking-
they
when
fail
we're
to
talking
understand
about-
that
when we're
the
talking
Hindu
about a
religion
threat to public-
or the Sanatan religion very
Excuse
well
me,
permits
please
the
keep
neo.
politics out of
Very
this.
well permits the neo.
No, what you're doing,
And
what we
if
are
it has
fighting
been the
against is
practice,
caste
and if it
politics.
has been the
I
practice
cannot
in the
yell above you,
temple,
madam.
that was consensual
Caste
as
politics.
per the statement
We
of
pretend to be against the caste system, but we support caste politics when it suits us, like it has happened. The threat to public disorder is to be handled by the state machinery. If at all, the author should have been protected. It's the state's obligation to protect anybody who's threatened by a disorderly mob.
Absolutely.
Which is what has happened in this case.
Yeah.
State will
It's not the
do.
other way round.
State will not
The
do,
state
because
was
the state will
complicit.
lose that
The
Congo
state was
middle class
complicit in
community
this.
vote bank.
The
will not
author's
do.
life is under threat. The state has to protect him. and not those gundas who go to his house
And you can't say
create
anymore.
create disorder.
And you can't say anymore, Vani Tripathi, what the BJP does. What the BJP says all the time, Vani Tripathi. Vani, what the BJP always says is, no, what is the BJP's argument to all this? The BJP's argument to all this is, Indira, one sec, can I just ask one question to Vani? My question to BJP's problem is, right now, the only argument of the BJP is, please ignore these people. Please ignore them. Why should we ignore them? Why should we ignore them? They are becoming emboldened. They have their my way or the highway approach.
They use these innocent and ignorant
So
people
Vani,
and they disown them.
Vani,
When they reach to their...
Vani, you realize now inaction is emboldening the fringe. You
No.
repeated inaction. Which is why, and what do you get at the end of it? You don't want show cause notice on Sakshi Maharaj? You think anyone's scared about that?
Do not ignore them. Let me just answer that, Arnab. Do not ignore them, denigrate them. The public discourse which is happening through your channel also very much exemplifies it. But let me remind you that there should not be a lopsided approach when we talk about free speech. We have to be absolutely clear in our democratic processes that anybody, whatever fringe, whoever fringe, and I'm saying it absolutely candidly on your channel, absolutely denigrate them. But whatever is being
including the RSS groups.
Responsibility of
including the RSS groups. No, what is the responsibility of the RSS to rein in these groups? What is the responsibility? What is the responsibility of the RSS to rein in the Hindu Munani? What is the responsibility of the RSS to rein in the Hindu Munani? What is the responsibility of the RSS to rein in these groups?
Responsibility of everybody.
No, what is the responsibility of the RSS? The RSS, Rashtriya Swayam Sevak Sangh.
The responsibility of everybody.
Not everybody, these are RSS groups. Hindu Munani, Vishwa Hindu Parishad. RSS groups, what is the RSS's responsibility?
Let me speak,
What is the RSS's responsibility? Are you scared of talking about the RSS's responsibility? What is the RSS's responsibility?
Absolutely, I am not scared of talking anybody.
What is the RSS's responsibility?
Anybody who does vandalism.
What is the RSS's responsibility?
Freedom of expression.
What is the RSS's responsibility?
Of literature. Let me speak.
Why don't you answer my question? I can let you speak, but answer my question. Why don't you answer my question? What is the RSS's responsibility?
Absolutely, these groups. These
groups have links to the RSS.
Because our democracy is not about emboldening.
Oh, really? You blame the democracy now won't blame the RSS?
And before we start pointing fingers at people,
but why don't you even mention the RSS?
Before we start pointing fingers at these people, we have to figure out who these people are. We have to figure out.
You're in defense. You're in.
You can point fingers at the author, but not at the people threatening, intimidating, scaring him, threatening him with his.
Some lumpens.
Okay? How can you say that his freedom is less than the freedom of those motivated protesters?
I think it's time the RSS takes a position on it.
So shouldn't someone take responsibility?
Yogesh Master.
If it is
M.R. Venkatesh saying something. M.R. Venkatesh.
Shouldn't they be penalized?
M.R. Venkatesh. M.R. Venkatesh. M.R. Venkatesh.
When it came to Arnav, when it came to Rushdie, the lumpen element settled in the streets. So the lumpen elements will get was emboldened 20 years back. That we saw to it that the state will not interfere whenever it happens to these type of authors or to these type of groups which claim to have been hurt. So the point is
as far as Rushdie is concerned, as far as Rushdie is concerned, I'm quite surprised that you are saying, not revealing the complete story. But as far as I know, in 1984, Indira Gandhi, then Prime Minister of India, brought a legal action against the novel, claiming to be defamed by a single sentence in the penultimate chapter,
exactly,
a wedding. And the case was eventually settled out of court with Rushdie agreeing to remove the offending sentence. Don't you know that?
So
what are you saying?
Somebody protested and the state.
I'm clear on this. Whether it is Inayatullah or these guys, all are the same.
I am clear that the state acted as a lumpen element, and that is why.
So what is the state acting as now?
Why should it interfere in artistic freedom?
So what is the state acting as now?
Why should it interfere in Mr. Rushdie's writing?
Right, fine. What is the state acting like now? Mr. Inayatullah, yes, please. 1 minute left on the debate. Mr. Inayatullah, yes, please.
Mr. Arnab.
Yes.
Please, Mr. Arnab. Please. Yeah, let me talk. Now, you are misconceived. You are comparing me with other group, and you see,
It's
it
the
is very
same thing,
simple
sir.
here. This
Same
issue.
thing.
In
Jayalalitha
Tamil
said
Nadu,
threat
the
to
Sangh
law and
Parivar
order.
want to have their
What did
footage. They
Jayalalitha
want to
say
have
on
the
Vishwarupam?
foundation. That
She
is why
said
they are
she used the
having
threat
this
to law and order angle.
No, it's not so. It is very cheap publicity. It is
Cheap?
a cheap publicity they want to have. No,
Who wants to have?
No, it's the cheap
Hindu
publicity
Munani
they
wants to have or you want to have?
Yes, very cheap publicity. The Sangh Parivar.
No,
wants
so
to have
when the
Tamil Nadu.
Hindu Munani
They
does
want
it,
to
it's cheap
concentrate
publicity.
South
When you
India.
do it, it's honorable.
In Tamil Nadu, they want to take advantage of this.
It doesn't
this
make sense to me.
problem.
Doesn't make sense to me. Doesn't make sense to me. Mr. Inayatullah, one second. Closing comments. Yogesh Master wanted to say something. Yogesh Master.
I'm not talking about the religion.
Yogesh, you know. Yes, Yogesh Master wanted to show something. Yogesh Master.
Excuse me. Yes, certainly. We are talking about Perumal Murugan, one who has a fictitious story, novel, and these people are provoked and fighting against it on the streets. Here, I want to tell you very clearly, when Mr. Perumal has written something, he has projected certain things from his viewpoint, and it is not intentional to do something harm to the society or political. He doesn't have any political thing. Here I have a book to show you. I want to know the answer for the people, those who are talking it for Hindutva or
okay, go ahead.
Whatever RSS.
Okay,
here,
1 minute. I've been extending
Gandhi
this.
was.
Indira, let him show
Gandhi
the book.
was Dharmadrohi. Gandhi was Dharmadrohi and Deshadrohi, the supreme judgment. It is written by Dr. K.V. Sitaramaya here. And this book is dedicated to Nathuram Vinayak Godse. And here he really talking about, then Rama came into the form of Nathuram Godse, ended the life of Gandhi in a broad daylight. Rama killed Ravana, Krishna killed Kamsa, Godse killed Gandhi. This is what he is talking about.
Yeah.
And entire book is it is not fictional. He has written intentionally to sow the hatred against Gandhi, to whom we call father of nation. And really, I want to ask this. What about this kind of books?
No, absolutely. Monica Arora should file a case against this book. If going by Monica Arora's logic, she should file a case against this book. But she's selective, you see. She only represents the Hindu fringe. Yes, please, one second.
Arvindji, let me say.
No, one last word, and that goes to Kannan Sundaram. He's the affected party here. Kannan Sundaram. Kannan Sundaram wanted to say something here. Last word to him. He's the affected party. Kannan Sundaram.
We must denounce
Kannan Sundaram. Kannan Sundaram.
manner.
Kannan Sundaram.
I just want to state. I just want to say that Perumal Murugan is a very responsible writer. He is not out to provoke or defame anybody. He is somebody who loves his soil so much that he is ready to put down his pen than leave his hometown. He is not capable of offending any Kongu woman, man or Hindu religion or temple.
All right,
And
Monica Arora.
People should read the novel. A novel is a very nuanced text, and they should try to understand.
Right.
We need not be ashamed of our past.
Closing this,
And
Monica.
we can face
Monica, the more
take what is good and
you know,
leave what is bad.
the other side to the story is the more this fringe acts, the more it reveals itself. I'm telling you, somewhere, if you feel this fringe has gone on too far, if you feel it is time to really take them on hard, expose them, question them, expose their hypocrisy, their double standards, then you can speak out against them. Death of an author is the hashtag tonight. It is time to take on these fringe groups because they are nothing but cowards. Shobha De.
Look at the dignity of the man.
He
leaves when he says that the book is not as important to me as interrupting the daily life of the people. I mean, look at the pain in that sentence. This is what we've reduced one of our great writers, great thinkers, philosophers, authors and scholars to.
Yeah.
It's a shame. It's a shame.
And it is time for more and more people. It is time for more.
Be defending him, including you, Monica.
It is time for more and more people to come out and speak against this and not presume that by speaking out against this you will be in a situation where you could compromise yourself. You won't. But if you don't speak, you certainly will compromise yourself and your own society. Thank you for joining me on this very interesting chat on the News Hour tonight.